Yesterday changes nothing. Still a lying cheat.
Just give me a chance to explain.
Bro, I'm sure Asher did. She got off with that sleaze bag. I'm not in the mood for bacon and eggs.
Oh, can you just listen to me, okay? I know I messed up. Messed up. No, you didn't put your red undies in with me whitewashing, Harry. You went back on the game.
Whoa! I pretended I didn't hear that.
Well, it's just like us then, innit? Pretending that everything's fine. Planning the wedding of the year, kidding ourselves that we actually belong together.
How can you say that? We're a team. Look what we achieved together yesterday. We got James out of jail.
No, I did that because it was the right thing to do. James is still a lying scumbag, even if he didn't bump off Kyle.
OK. Why don't I look after the van and you two go and chat?
Don't need to, Tegan. I'm done talking. Now, go on. Why don't you go and find your new BFF, James? Put a smile back on his face. Or do you charge for that as well?
I want nothing to do with him.
Well, you took the words right out of my mouth. Because I want nothing to do with you, so go on, do one. You're knocking me sick.
After Nick, I swore I'd never let my guard down with anyone ever again. But you really fooled me. How could I be so stupid?
I'm nothing like him. I love you, Ellie.
James is my brother. You let me believe he had blood on his hands. How could you?
Because he has. Look, my dad and James, they both work together for the same law firm. You're my dad. Such a kind, honest man. And James came along and embezzled thousands from the company and framed it all on him. He sent my dad to prison, lost everything, and he ended up killing himself. James drove him to it, Ellie. He as good as murdered him.
So our whole relationship has been about you getting back at James?
No. Oh, of course not. You know, the only time I don't feel the pain of losing him is when I'm with you.
You look me in the eye every single day and you lied to me. Revenge means more to you than I ever did.
No, look, you mean everything to me. Look, we were this close to putting everything behind us and building a new life.
I never want to see you again.
I need both the side of sore eyes. Can you please get me out of here?
Right after you've told me where I can find Sammy Malik.
You're asking the wrong person. I want nothing more to do with him.
Might I suggest you go and harass his family instead of ours? My darling.
Your clothes.
Look, I'm sorry. What Sammy did must have broken your heart. But he's probably had a lucky escape. He's twisted.
He's twisted. He told me you drove Kashif to suicide.
What? That cretin.
It's true.
So you destroyed a man's life for what? For money?
I had my reasons. But I didn't make Kashif commit suicide. That was his choice. Just like it was Sammy's choice to use us both as pawns in his game.
All you've both done is lie to me.
I know. But I promise, from now on, I'm going to be a proper big brother to you, someone you can rely on and trust.
I've just heard it too many times, James. If you ever expect me to trust you again, you'd actually have to prove you changed.
And Harry can apologise all he wants, but he's still been selling himself to strangers.
Yes, but his rates are very competitive. He even does half-price Tuesdays. Sausage butty, please. I'm starving. I've been at the police station all night trying to convince them I was too busy sunning myself to know that James was being fingered.
White or brown?
Stop, Tegan. Because we don't want his business. He's bringing the tone down.
Oh, I think it's already in the gutter. The bosses are the halves. Gigolo.
Well, he's not the other half anymore, so... Why don't you take advantage of his cheap rates? Go on, mate, knock yourself out. Just don't do it round here.
Suit yourself.
You're not seriously finishing with Harry before you've heard what he's got to say?
Well, yeah, I am, because he's cheated on me over and over again.
He didn't have an affair. Nobody prostitutes themselves out for a laugh.
He's not the victim here, I am.
No, you're a hypocrite. After all the times you've messed up. In fact, come with me. It's about time you heard some home truths.
No, Asher. Don't tell me she got woke to what a pathetic loser you are.
You just can't handle the fact that she wants an upgrade from boy to man.
If she's stupid enough to go for someone like you, then you're welcome to her. I mean, come on, it's only a matter of time before she realizes you're a waste man. Maybe then you'll get the hint. You're not wanted by anyone around here.
Darling, I just don't know what to say. You had every opportunity, let alone the right to tell Ellie the truth about that money.
I protected you for this long, why change the habit of a lifetime?
I will remain forever grateful. Let's just hope the mistakes from the past are finally behind this family.
Where are you going, you imbecile?
Sorry,
No, I'm sorry, wait. Promised Ellie I'd turn over a new leaf. Go get yourself a hot meal.
Sammy, we've been looking. Where are you going?
There's nothing left here for me anymore.
What about me?
So you frame a man for murder, and you leave us to pick up the pieces. I have racked my brain trying to work out why this family has so many problems, and it's you!
Sammy, you swore this revenge was done with. Why did you do this?
Because every day it's still... Look at that door, hoping Dad might walk back in, flash that big smile and say, it's all right, it was just a dream. He never will. Look, James ended Dad's life, and he was just out there, just walking free. He needed to pay for what he's done.
And so do you.
No, listen, look, I can't handle prison.
Have you no honor at all?
You saw what you said to Dad right before he killed himself.
Open up. It's the police.
Mister, please.
Fine. Run. But if you do, you're no longer part of this family.